Right then, top 5 foods that you need to try when you come to Argentina. Now, Argentina is not renowned for having the best food in the world, and I would agree, having been there. There is a lot of processed food there, and the food isn't as quality as you may find in places like Spain, Italy, Mexico, Thailand, Japan. But still, there are a few good dishes that I would recommend trying out there. So in this video, I'm going to share the top 5 dishes that you need to try when you come to Argentina. And this list is in no particular order. So the first dish that you should try is Milanesa. A Milanesa is basically a schnitzel, and what they do in Argentina is they treat the schnitzel as kind of like a bread on a pizza base. And so what they do is add lots of toppings to your schnitzel base. This one you see here is called Milanesa Napolitana, which is basically tomato sauce, mozzarella and ham. I really like this one, it's probably my favorite one. Now this one here that I had in Mendoza was fantastic too. I can't remember the exact name of this one. I think it was their kind of house special Milanesa. Really tasty, this one. And you can also get Milanesas in sandwich form too, like this one here. Now this one that you see on the screen here was absolutely fantastic. I had this at a place called Bruncheria in Cordoba. Wow, this is absolutely brilliant. I remember eating it. It was so good. So definitely make sure you try Milanesa in Argentina. Now the second dish you need to try is Choripán. Now Choripán is basically a hot dog or burger, but instead of burger or hot dog sausage, it's with chorizo sausage instead. Now, if you're in Buenos Aires, to get your choripán, you should go to the San Telmo market. There's a big popular stall in the market selling them, and they are fantastic. You can also go to a place called Chori in Palermo. It's a great snack, great meal to have in Argentina, so do not forget to try them. Now, number 3 in this list of Argentinian dishes is empanada. Now, empanadas are basically pastries filled up with lots of different flavors. So for example, ham and cheese, meat, chicken as well. You'll find empanadas everywhere in cafes, restaurants, markets. They are a great snack to have. Now, the north of Argentina, and in particular the Salta region, is known to have the best empanadas in the whole country. The north of the country does have more access to spices, so they do use more spices in their cooking and in their empanadas up there. But empanadas are everywhere in the country, literally everywhere, and they're always a good snack to have. Now, the fourth thing that you need to eat when you're in Argentina is something called Alfajores. They're these sweet kind of biscuit cake things filled up with dulce de leche that you can have as a dessert. You can get different flavors as well. You can get dark chocolate, white chocolate. You can even get wine flavored ones. Again, you'll see them everywhere in cafes, confectionery stores, sweet shops. I do like them. They are a nice dessert and snack that you can get throughout the country. Now, before I reveal the 5th and final dish that you do need to try in Argentina, just a couple of honorable mentions. Now, my first honorable mention is steak. Now, obviously Argentina is very famous for steak, but I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't blown away. I didn't think the steak was as impressive as some other steaks I've had around the world, and also it's very expensive too. Not as expensive as places in Western Europe, for example, but the prices are creeping up. Of course, inflation in Argentina is pretty bad, so prices are not as cheap as what they used to be in years gone by. Prices are definitely creeping up now. So if you do want to be able to afford your steaks in Argentina, I recommend starting a side hustle, and you can do that in the description and also the comment section too of this video. Just go below, click on that top link. You can earn a free £25 if you use that link to sign up to this side hustle. And if you sign up to the site, it will take you through step by step how to make money online in a side hustle. It's a side hustle that I use. I make a bit of money from it to fund my travels, so do check out that link. And then once you start making a bit of money online, you can then afford another honorable mention dish in Argentina, which would be the ice cream. Now, the ice cream culture in Argentina is actually really good. You have lots of ice cream parlors, and in particular, their dulce de leche flavor is really good to try out. I still think Italy has the best ice cream, but Argentina isn't too far away behind. But now, the final and 5th top food that you do need to try in Argentina is Lomito. Now, a Lomito is basically a bit of meat, bit of steak filled up in a sandwich, in a baguette, filled up with lots of different fillings. They do lots of different variations of Lomito. You can get them filled up with meat, ham, cheese, peppers, vegetables. You can get them with garlic sauce, mayonnaise, spicy sauce, every sauce you can imagine. They are very filling, really tasty. They're a great lunch to have when you are in Argentina, so do not miss out on Lomito. Now, do let me know if you've been to Argentina, and do let me know your favorite Argentinian dish. Do you agree with my top 5 Argentinian foods to try? And also do let me know how you would rank Argentinian cuisine in relation to other cuisines around the world. Is Argentinian cuisine one of your favorites? Is it one of your least favorites? I think the food there is okay. It's very processed, as I said before, but you do have some tasty food out there to eat for lunch and dinner. But I do hope that you have found today's video useful and interesting. If you have, remember to click the like button. It does really help out the video, and also do subscribe for more travel content. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.